Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I hope that you all are doing well today. So today we are here in the International Institute of Foreign Language, and on the basis of the public demand we are here with the video, and we will discuss about the Teachers Day. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you so much. So today, as I told you, that we are going to discuss about the Teachers Day, and here you can see that plenty of the friends and who will give you the different views on this particular day, that why we celebrate the Teachers Day and what kind of the importance we are having as on the behalf of the Teachers Day. So first of all, I would like to begin today, and I would like to begin with the scratch. So in the memory of the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we celebrate this day, and on the 5th September, his birthday, we celebrate as the Teachers Day. And as we know that our first teacher was the Savitribai Phule, and she was the first Indian woman teacher. So that's why we are having the importance of teacher in India, and we are having the culture to respect, because we are having the culture of diversity, and in the diverse places we celebrate the Teachers Day in the different ways. And in Delhi itself we celebrate Teachers Day, that we give the opportunities to our brilliant students so they can lead the class for one day. And now by conducting the class, by celebrating this day, they can have their caliber and they can understand that what kind of importance and what kind of greatness we are having. Thank you so much.
Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm also good. So this is Rashika in front of you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about the Teachers Day. As we all know about that why we celebrate the Teachers Day, but this is the thing that how I see the Teachers Day. So in my perception, like as a teacher, those who are a teacher, they are serving their own self to teaches us, to give us the great knowledge which we want in our life. So this is the motto of the teachers, to give a knowledge without demanding a lot of money, without demanding a bunch of money. So I can say that we should give respect to them, and that is the motto of this day, that we should give respect to our parents, we should give respect to our teachers who are teaching us since our childhood. So this is the way that we are celebrating Teachers Day, and today we are coming here to talk about the Teachers Day, and we are celebrating it. And clearly I can say that the Teachers Day is a very fantabulous day. Why? As whenever I see the people, so I learn a lot of things. How I am learning, when I was in my school, so there were a lot of teachers who were teaching me and who were not demanding anything, because I was in that time in a government school. I used to study in a government school, so it was pinching me that yes, I should do something for them. And that is the thing. So whenever the Teachers Day comes, I made a lot of cards, I made a lot of things.
Hello. How are you all? I am also good. So my name is Chris. Today we are celebrating the Teachers Day in International Institute. So our topic is why we celebrate the Teachers Day. There was a story behind the reason of the Teachers Day celebration. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first president and the first vice president and the second president of India. Just because of that, we are celebrating the Teachers Day. Apart from that, there was also one story which already had been shared by the Mr. Nitin as well as Ms. Rashika about Savitribai Phule as well as Jyotiba Rao Phule. So what was the matter of that situation at that time when they both got married? So the situation was difficult for both of them. How? And when they were starting the Satyasodhak Samaj establishment, at that time they were facing a lot of problem. What kind of problem they were facing? They were the many people who were sledging them. They were the many people who used to abusive language with them. They are the many people who used to throw the garbage to them. Even the father of Jyotiba Rao Phule, who got disrespect him and them also, and they got upset from the
How are you all? So as we are celebrating the Teachers Day in our institute, so we are talking about the Teachers Day. So since my childhood, I have been told by my parents that teachers are bigger than the parents, and they owns the status of God in our culture. And my parents always told me that school is the temple and teachers are the god of that temple. So this is the kind of culture we are having in our country. So this is why the Teachers Day is very special for us, and as a student we feel different kind of like we give different kind of things to our teachers, and this is how we celebrate the Teacher Day. But if I talk about particularly the culture, so the culture is very rich. As we can see the many examples, if I have to pick up 1-2 examples, so I would pick up the example of the Eklavya and the story of Dronacharya, because the Eklavya got the knowledge of archery from the Dronacharya, and he don't got the knowledge from the Dronacharya directly. He got the knowledge indirectly, but he gave his finger as the gift. Or
how are you? My name is Abhishek, and the topic of today's talk is Teachers Day. As at the time we born with nothing, but it's the people around us who teach us each and everything in the face of mother, father, sister, friends and siblings, and then we become what we are. To build the society and to build the nation, it's become very compulsory for a great teacher. And as in India, our ancient time, as I can say at the time of Mahabharata, like Dronacharya and the god itself at the Krishna, they has the biggest teacher, and they has teaches all the things which we having right now. And on the basis of that, definitely I can say to be the great person, it's become to get a great teacher. And in order to get a great teacher, we need to respect the teacher, and for that I always try to respect all of my teacher because of that. And if I talk about more, so definitely in this institute the greatest teacher according to me is the Jitu sir, as he teaches everything in the polite way, and because of that.
So today we are going to talk about the Teachers Day. One of the festivals, one of the day has been celebrated once in a year, and it's a grateful joy that we are celebrating the Teachers Day. And now I would like to talk about the teachers or the Teachers Day, why we celebrate. It has a great history about it, that why do we celebrate Teachers Day. Now I would like to talk about, as being a student, they are the numerous of the schools who conduct many functions of a Teachers Day. Now if I talk about experience of mine, so it was really fantabulous. Today I go to my school and I show the function. It was really fantabulous. There are the many of the students who dance, who play the music, and it was really too much good in my perspective. So this is how we can celebrate a Teachers Day in a very grateful joy. And for instance, if I talk about in our home, we can also celebrate a very better way. And there are the numerous of the students who give something, or who give some gifts towards the teachers.
How are you? Good. Yeah, I'm also, this is Mohit front of you, and my topic is teacher. So as you already know that who is teacher. Teacher is one kind of a dead person who teaches us. Doesn't matter which types of knowledge they are teaching us. If I talk about our friends, our teachers, and if I talk about this institute, our monitors, they are teaching us free of cost, and we can say that they are our teacher, real teacher. If I talk about the Jitu sir teaches us.
Hello. How are you all? Good, and you? I'm also good. So my name is Shagun, and today we are here to discussing about the teachers and the Teachers Day. So who is a teacher? We all know very well. Since our childhood, we learn new things day by day, and from where we are getting the new things, and from where we are getting our knowledge or our things related to our daily life. So they all are the teachers, and not only the human beings. Somewhere we are getting the things from the nature, from the animals, from the birds in our surroundings. How we are getting the things from the animals, just like the dog. We all petting our dogs at our house, and the dog is the only animal who teaches us that how to be a loyal for others, and how to be a friendly nature, and how to create the friendly environment in our surroundings. And also from the nature we learn a lot of things with the help of nature, with the helps of birds. And in our schools, in our tuitions, and everywhere we can find the teachers, and also in our family or the friends, and they all are we should respect them. Hello everyone. Hello. How are you? Good. I'm good. So my name is Pooja. So today I'm talking about the Teachers Day. So we know that their Teachers Day is most important for our life, and with the teachers we know that their teachers are two successful things for our life. Why? Because we know that their teacher is a successful things, and we know that their knowledge with our students and with our things. And if I talk about like the teachers, why teachers is too important for our life? Because with the teacher we know that their teacher is a grow up our knowledge, and they also know that which kind of things we have to earn. And even we know that their teachers is too good for our successful life, because they know that which criteria we go on our self thing. And if I talk about if I talk about my favorite teacher, so I can say that my favorite teacher is my account teacher. Why? Because he always know that with the learning things, we know there are lots of things, and learn the lots of things with our students, with our monitors, with our teachers, any kind of teacher who just speak like that the things.
How are you? Good. I am also good. So I want to speak the Teachers' Day. Why we are celebrating Teachers' Day? Because in this day we are teachers. Because in this day all are teachers, because they giving a knowledge. And who's teacher? Teachers means people are giving the knowledge. And nowadays knowledge is very important. That's why we should respect our teachers, because teachers' life is very difficult life, because they are holding the all thing in the student, and they gives a different type of the knowledge for the person, and person are make the different type of the life also. That's why teachers are most important for the every life. So we should respect our teachers. On this day mostly teachers are give a chance as a teacher, and mostly students make a teacher in the schools and college and institute and different type of the places are also, because all are teachers. Like animals are also teachers, because they teach us lots of things in the our house and roads and etc. That time we learn lots of things by the animals, by the birds, and by the student also, because some student. Thank you.